Hi everyone. So I am sitting out in my backyard writing today. It's just gorgeous out here, this beautiful Southern California weather. And I was planning out my live chat, what I talk to you guys about, whether it's questions and answers or some sort of education or whatever it is. And then it just occurred to me, I just want to talk to you. I actually just don't feel like planning anything out. It's just an amazing day. My heart is just filled with gratitude for so many things. One of the things is my daughter is getting baptized this Sunday, and I'm super excited about that. So it's just really cool. Just lots of things. It almost makes me emotional how many cool things there are to be happy for. And it got me thinking, you know, there's so much going on in the world right now, and we can focus on those things. Really what you see depends on the lenses you're looking through. I mean, all of us can, you know, I mean, if you've got tragedy in your life, I understand. If it's acute tragedy, then, you know, that's what you're going to see. But I also just want to remind you that when you turn on the news, I mean, I am the first one. I turn on the news in the morning and I start like jumping up and getting angry and I'm yelling at the TV, and I don't do that anymore. It was my husband calling. Sorry about that. I just intentionally don't do that anymore because of that. So he's probably going to call back because he keeps calling until I answer. So I'm going to have to probably like come right back to you. So I choose to not do that. I start my day in a different way now. So I start with my meditation and my list of gratitude. And I wanted to just like talk to you about, how do you start your day? What glasses do you put on? What are you seeing the world through? What lenses are you looking through? Because if you change the way you see things, what you see changes. So, you know, look through a new pair of glasses if what you're looking at is not working. People are saying happy Easter. Thank you so much. Yes, I feel so blessed too. And it's just been a great time. And, you know, it's interesting. I actually have some health challenges going on right now. I will be leaving you for a couple of weeks in April. I have to have surgery. And yet I'm able to focus on the fact that this is like the most amazing time of my life. My family is just amazing. I'm so blessed because I choose to focus on that. So, but I can use your prayers in April. That would be awesome. So I just wanted to talk to you about that. Instead of giving you more information, more to do, I just wanted to actually talk to you about gratitude and what I want to give you. So I just wanted to remind you that, you know, a lot of people want help. They need help at this time in the world. And I understand that. And sometimes, you know, I get emails a lot that they can't afford to come to our clinics. And we know that. We know everybody can't come to our clinics. But I just want to remind you that we have a lot of free information for you. We have a lot of free materials for you. And I just want you to know that I don't ever want you to forget that those gifts are there for you. If you go to my website, if health is your focus right now, you go to my website, there are hundreds of free recipes. So you can stay healthy at Easter. And there are even Easter recipes. We did strawberry cupcakes yesterday. There's brownies. There's all sorts of fun things. So you don't have to miss out, but you can still be healthy. And there's not an excuse to not be healthy. There's a quick start guide. If you're just getting started and you don't know how to do this, you can download the free quick start guide. If you want a brain health assessment, go to amenclinics.com. You can get that. So TanaAmen.com, amenclinics.com. If you go to our podcast, not only is there a ton of free information, my husband and I go through basically the program that we teach you at Amen Clinics. You can do that in bite-sized chunks every day and learn what we teach you. But then we've got a code. If you are someone who needs to save a little bit of money bringing someone to the clinics, there's a code to help you do that. I'm not going to give you the code because I actually want you to listen to the podcast. But if you listen to the podcast, you can get that code. So because I want you to share, because the information in the podcast that we're giving you for free is so valuable. So I hope that you get that. I just want you to take advantage of all the things. We put a lot of time and energy into giving you many, many of these things for free. Our books are mostly at the library. You can get almost all of our books for free. So I just want to remind you that in a world that's so busy where we all need to make a living. We all need to have business. I understand that. But we all want to help each other out too. And I just want you to think about that this Easter. Think about what you are grateful for. Think about, if you can, make a list. Tell me what you're grateful for. I would love to hear it. I was going to do a live chat on Sunday, but with my daughter getting baptized, I'm probably not. So I am going to really focus on my family on Sunday. But I would love to hear from you. What is it you're going to do? What are you grateful for? What is it that maybe, how were you seeing the world? And now, how can you, I told you he was going to call me back. How can you change your glasses, change the lenses you are seeing through so that you can see it differently? I would love to hear from you because I promise you it works, but you got to spend a little time doing it. So take advantage of those things. Have an amazing Easter weekend. I know it's not a religious holiday for all of you. For many of you it is. For us it is. So I hope you have a blessed weekend, whatever it is that you do. Enjoy your time with your family. Be filled with gratitude. Notice the wonderful things around you as well as what's going on in the world. And those things, what could you find to be grateful for in those things? Have a great Easter.